Hey, good morning. Don here from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Today we are going to have 2 house washes in the same HOA neighborhood to start the morning off here on Friday. And then we're going to come home for some lunch after that. Then we're going to go out and do another driveway, call it a day. Saturday we got a big house, big pool, and some vinyl fence, and that'll wrap up the week. So probably going to have to get an SH fill up today, see how much we use. We're right here, note that, and then we'll take a picture after we're done with the 2 houses. If you need anything at all in the pressure washing cleaning business, Ameritech Pressure Cleaning Systems in Tampa will take care of all your pressure cleaning needs. Phone number is 813-978-0809. Get some sticky icky, they'll mail it out to you. It works great. All right, everything is all wound up nice and neat. Always remember that. Make your stuff look nice and neat. Then you'll be professional. And it's going to be 80 something today. 80 in December 1st, huh? So we are ready to go. Got some nice refreshing drinks that are satisfying for your thirst. Definitely get yourself a good logo with the big phone number that people can read. Super Blast Pressure Washing. You can see that, right? And of course, we get after it here at Super Blast Pressure Washing. And when you see me coming down the road in your rear view mirror, you better be getting after it. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. It's going to be a great day. Let's get after it. All right, Don here. Here we are at the first job. Regular customer. Done this many times. Okay, I got it all set up. He doesn't even know I'm here yet. The downstream injection. This is your injector. If you have a 4 gallon a minute machine, this is what you're going to see. That's what the injector is hooked up to. This is your line that's peeled off the reel. The injection tube is down in the tank. Okay, and it's as simple as that. And you have soap tips and you have rinse tips. The soap tips turn the soap on and off. So the soap tips turn the soap tips turn the soap on, and the rinse tips turn the soap off. A little tongue twisted this morning. Anyway, you can see the green. I can see the green algae as we're walking down. See it? See that gutter up there? That looks pretty green to me. We're going to start the job right here. Get these stones cleaned up out there, and we'll get that deck in the back. Got some rust going on. We'll see about getting that off too. This little bee's nest up there. They're not going to be around long. Let me get this rust off of here too. Show you how good Pink Power works. And this is all moldy up here. Algae, moss, whatever you're calling it today. I like to call it mold all the time. That's what my grandmother used to call it, so you know what? That makes it right. See that up there? Right, Grandma? It's mold. Used to use mothballs all the time. Anybody that has a grandma knows what I'm talking about. Look how green that is. Hoo-hoo. All right, get some stuff on this wall here. It's nasty. I was supposed to be able to coat this wall, the whole place. That's pretty nasty right there. Look how dirty that is. All this is pretty dirty back here. We got mold everywhere. All right, let's get after it. All right, I'm gonna go to the door and alert the customer so we can get this garage door folded down. All right, we'll be back. All right, before we get started, this is your V-Jet soap tip. This is your 0060 long range soap tip, okay? This is a 40-15 wide rinse tip. The wash jet tip's in the truck, but these two turn the soap on, the rinse turns it off, and so does the 0015. I gotta go grab that. I gotta rebuild me a new J-rod. I got all new tips and stuff. Anyway, do a video about that. All right, let's get started. Get what? Get after it! I always like to show the 5 minutes of the job, you know? Okay, it's all sticky icky. Now I remember when we got here, that was just green, right? Now look at it. It's just, it looks like this, looked like that 5 minutes ago, okay? Look how that stuff's just sitting up there, it's nice. That's sticky icky. And this down here, look how nice. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and do the rinse. We're gonna get this hose going that way, and we'll get the rest of this place hosed off, and then we'll come out and do the cement, rinse it off, and then he's gonna hire me back to do the back patio pavers back there, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this rust off of here today. Or maybe I should just include that in the package for the wall and stuff. That's what we're gonna do. All right, we'll just make another service out of this and put another job in the book. All right, let's get after it. On second thought, Don's a great guy. I got you, didn't I, Don? We're gonna get that rust off there today because that's what you should do. Let's get after it. Okay, now watch the 0060 long range tip. Just get all that stuff up top there. You can probably get it with the other one, but I gotta go down that side over there and shoot it down the side where you can hardly get to it with anything else. All right, let's get after it. All right, a little delay there. The customer's getting ready to go to work. Had to remove my hose out of the driveway so we don't crush it. You don't want cars running over those hoses. Of course they can take it, but you know, you'd rather not, right? All right, let's get after it. We'll be right back. All right, let's have that look. Look at that up there. Remember all this here? What mold? I don't see any mold to you. It's all gone. All I had to do is call Don. All I got to do is rinse it all off. Let's go around the back here. That's got some orange stuff. It's dissipating. It'll be gone by the time we come back to rinse it. We only got to mix a little bit of rust remover. We'll get that off of there. Around the gutter down there. All right. This all rinsed off, all these windows. All right, now let's come back here and get this back part. We are going to be back here in a couple weeks to get all this deck done. Needs a good cleaning back here. Maybe I can get my buddy Michael from Exodus Paver Sealing to come out here. I'll see if Don wants to get that done. It'll get this deck looking nice. All right, let's get after it. And now for the satisfying rinse.
Let's get after it.
Let's take a quick gander. Look at that, shiny all the way down, baby. Looks good. Got the green stuff off the wall here. Got some of that mold off of there for the HOA. I'll try to hit that with the wash jet tip here in a minute, try to get more of it off, just to rinse it, just so Don doesn't have to look at it. You know, it's an eyesore. They need to get somebody to clean up after all this stuff. All right, I'm Don. Let's get after it. That's a wrap for the house. See that lattice over there? Look at that. It was green, green, green. Now it's white, white, white. Looks good. All right, now we're going to get this driveway done, a little part of the sidewalk, and we'll be out of here, all right? Let's get after it. About that. I know you were waiting for the words. You were waiting for the phrase, you know. Look how nice that looks. Rinsed, cleaned, satisfying. Ho, ho, ho. All right, now, gonna get everything reeled in. We're gonna mix up some stuff. We're gonna show you how fast we can get some rust off a home. All right, we'll be right back. Let's get after it. All right, let's go ahead and check this rust stuff out here, huh? I think you can see that right there, can you? I'll just hold it. Let me pump this up real quick. I think you'll find it amazing. It's a good product. Pink Power. Adjust your nozzle there, dummy. There you go. Spray it on. The rust just comes right off. Check it out. See how fast and easy that is? There's some right here. Look at that. Did you just look at that? Look at this. amazing when you have the right stuff to do the job, you know? And I'm sure my buddy Don's going to appreciate the free, no-charge rust removal for being a loyal customer to Super Blast Pressure Washing. All right. Remember that name. It's a pretty easy name. You know, Pink Power. What rust? I don't see any. You see rust? I don't know, man. Look, I don't see any. Do you? I don't. You want to kill some more rust while we're here? I think we got one more spot to take care of. We'll go ahead and do the demonstration. Might as well, right? This is some fun stuff. I think they call it satisfying. All right. All right, you can see it from here all the way down to that big spot, right? All right, let's go ahead and hit this real fast. Look at that, it's instant. See ya. Let's go ahead and you see how long it's taken me, right? A couple minutes to make the customer happy. I mean, that's all you got to do. Very simple, huh? Look at that. Stuff is very strong, so don't get it on you or in your eyes. This is a little bit more down here. Okay, we got some down here. You can see it going away as soon as I hit it. Look at that. All right, that's going to do it. Looks a lot better than it did, huh? Okay, very simple. And that finishes the job. I mean, the neighbors are riding by here and they see the rust, right? I mean, you could have seen that rust from a mile away. Just like this stuff up front here that we got rid of by the water spigot. Makes the place look good. All the gutters are nice and clean, back to being new. Oh, we got some stuff right here. You see that hiding behind there? You don't want that. Get that off the front of the house. Look at that. Very good. We get a little bit more right there. See it? Under there. All right, we're good. Well, that's as easy as pie. At least that's how my dad taught me. Have some pride in what you do. Make sure you do the job right. Or just don't do it at all. And if you did it wrong, well, you woke up with a lump on your head. I'm Don from Super Blast. We'll see you at the next job. Let's get after it.
Ready? 3, 4.
Hey, here we are, job number 2. Let's have an inspection. Hasn't been done in a while. That's really nasty up here. Gonna have to use some straight stuff, I'm afraid, to get that off. Some black algae. There's some nasty stuff right there. Might just hit a couple of these areas like this here. It's pretty nasty right there. I'll just go ahead and hit that with the pump up real quick because they're gonna paint. And the rest of this should come pretty clean. not too bad. Get that black stuff off of there. All right. This is not a regular customer, so we're gonna pass on the rust treatment as a favor, and we'll come back and do it down the road. The owner is in the up north, so I'm going to start the job right here, corner of the house. We go that way, we'll rinse it back, we'll get this driveway and sidewalk done. Then, as always, we'll go down there and finish that up, and we'll be done. All right, let's get after it. Alright, let's take a quick look. It's coming along. See that stuff right there? That's dissipated off of there. Just hit it with the pump up. There's some stuff way up there I'm going to have to probably get an extension wand out to get. You can see it. Black up there. You see that up there? We'll just get that 10-footer. We'll spray some more SH up there. Try to loosen it up. You can see the black part where the last person who cleaned this place couldn't reach it. So they just left it. We're not going to do that here at Super Blast, are we? We're going to get after it. All right, let's go. Now for the satisfying rinse and extension pull. Let's get after it. Voila! There's no more black up there. You see it? It's gone. Look how nice and clean, huh? The only thing that's left is the rust. And you can paint over that. They're going to paint it. All right? Let's get after the rest of the rinse. And let's get after this driveway. All right? All we got to do is move those mats. And we can get after it. Let's have a look. It's coming out real good, except for these spots right here. We're going to go ahead and spot treat that at the end of the job. Right now we're going to go down the side here, then into the backyard and get that all done. Then we'll rinse our way back to the truck, put that right in there, reel everything in, then we'll spot treat the black spots that are still left behind. All right, let's get after it. Look, it's a gingerbread man. Oh, it looks like a girl. Who the hell knows what it is? All right, take a look. All that stuff, black stuff's all gone off of there. Let's go spot treat this one little end right here. And we got some spot treatment over here to do. Right there. All right, let's get after it, and we'll see you at lunch. And then we're gonna do one more job for the day, and then we'll be at a bigger job tomorrow morning. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's take a final look. Everything looks really good. Got all the spots off. Everything looks good. Everybody's looking. See the neighbors? Everybody's like an owl, man. Who is that? Anyway, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it. Hey, I think I should go buy a scratch-off ticket tonight or something, because I'm one lucky dog today. I was pulling away from the last job, and I noticed there was something on my tire, but it wasn't something on my tire. It was a split belt inside. And man, good thing I noticed, because it wouldn't have been long. And another lucky thing is, I was only about 1.5 miles away from my regular mechanic that does all my tires, all my maintenance and everything. So cheers to George's Tires. I had 10-ply tires on this rig, and they lasted almost 2 years, almost. Now I'm getting 12-ply tires on the back. You can never be too safe. A little expensive, 500 and change, but at least I know I'm going to be safe, and everybody around me is going to be safe. Your trailer goes loose, you can kill somebody and lose everything. Lose your business. Just, you don't want that to happen. All right, I'm Don, and we're on our way to the fill station. Safely. Get after it. Look at that shiny new spare they got on there. Thank goodness you got a spare, right? Here's the SH filling station right here. Very, very nice. They got a new hose on there, I see, too. Very good. All right. We got our dispenser filled up already. Now we're going to go ahead and fill that up to 50 gallons. And we're going to take this sticky, icky apple that's right there. We're going to pour that right in there while we're filling it up, all right? And that's how you do it. We'll mix it up on the way home. And I'll tell you, Super Blast Pressure Washing is a busy company, because we get after it. We'll see you tomorrow. All right, let's see what Bob thinks about his work today. I think Bob did a fine job. Bob, what do you think?
I think it just came out great. Just look at it. I mean, look around. See over there? Looks great. The driveway looks good. The sidewalks look really good. You know, everything looks great out here. Just take a look. See for yourself. Everything's great. All right. We'll see you tomorrow. We got a really big day tomorrow. 2 really big jobs. So we need to get some rest tonight. Stop at the SH fill up in the morning and then get after it. See you tomorrow. I'm Super Bob.
What a great guy. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Get after it. Well, guys, thank you for everything. And what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home, I
Everybody
get
gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
after it. Mr. American.
Get after it!